If you're seeing a Monday.com error with Workspace access, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest ways to fix it step by step so you can get back into your workspace and keep working without the frustration. This is a simple troubleshooting guide, and it only takes a few moments to check the most common causes. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick Monday.com tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing to do is refresh the page. Sometimes the issue is only a temporary loading problem, and a simple refresh can reconnect your session and clear the error. If the workspace still does not open after refreshing, then the next step is to check your workspace permissions. Go to Monday.com and open the workspace you are trying to access. Once you are inside the workspace, look for the Share option. This is where you can review who has access and what level of access each person has. Verify that your account is actually included and that your permission level is strong enough to view or manage that workspace. If your access is set too low, or if you are not listed at all, that could be the reason Monday.com is blocking you. If the workspace permissions look correct, the next thing to check is your user role. On Monday.com, click your profile picture in the corner, then go to Admin. From there, open Directory, then Users, and finally check User Roles. Your role matters because some workspace access issues happen when a user is assigned the wrong role, or when their permissions do not match what the workspace requires. If you are not an admin, you may need someone with admin access to review this part for you. Take a moment to compare the workspace permissions with your user role. If both are correct and you still cannot access the workspace, try signing out and back in again, then refresh the page one more time. In many cases, Monday.com may need to reload your account data before the changes fully apply. Also, make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if you use more than one Monday.com login for work or personal projects. If the issue continues after checking permissions and user roles, the problem may be related to a workspace setting or an admin level restriction. In that case, ask the workspace owner or an admin to confirm that your account has been invited properly and that your access has not been removed or limited. Sometimes the fix is as simple as re-adding your user or adjusting the share settings again. So to recap, the main steps are refresh the page, check the workspace permissions under Share, and then check your user role through the admin directory. Those three checks solve most Monday.com workspace access errors. If you follow them carefully, you should be able to identify where the access problem is coming from and get back into your workspace quickly. If this tutorial was helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tips, fixes, and beginner-friendly walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.